Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Katamu's hay farm. This is a progress of my small farm. I planted this hay in March 29, 2025. This has been the progress. Hay takes time. Today we've been weeding, so that's a progress. And we're not yet done. A lot of work remaining, but we're on holiday, so have all the time for myself. As you can see, there are lots of spaces in between, you know. Some of the grass here is mature and ready for harvesting, like this one, as you can see. So I refrained myself from cutting the mature grass. Do you know why? So I can get some seeds. Yeah, so this is a progress. Today is on 11th September 2025, and that's the progress. See ya.